Hey y'all, thanks for coming to kick it with me, Nikki Nick. And today we are jumping straight into the video, baby. No intro. But really because I forgot to record intro. But anywho, it's good to switch things up a little bit. So today I am making a little two-piece set. Well, my homie said asked me to make this for her a long time ago. But you know the way life is set up. So one day I was like, let me take a break from all the other projects I'm doing and I'm gonna do this project. And you know how you like see the dates of the videos we recorded and stuff? Bro, I've been working on this project for over a month and it's really not even a month worth of things to do, but you know, stress and life and whatever. But anywho, this is just me draping out the pattern. Pretty much she gave me a picture of what she wanted and this is just me kind of like piecing it on the dress form. I haven't like draped as much as I could since I've had my dress form, and I really want to do more of it because I do love draping, but I've been doing like different type of pattern making and things like that. But this is pretty fun for me. When you see me look to the side, I'm pretty much looking at my iPad, just looking at the picture of it, trying to get it as accurately as possible. Well, I only draping the top because like the bottom is like a thong piece, and like a thong piece is pretty standard. I don't really need to figure that out, and I have one already, so I can just adjust the size as I cut. Well, I'm not going to do too much more talking. I may pop in here and there, but it's not really going to be like an instructional video. This is more so like if you like watching processes and things like that, because I know I do, so I'm like, maybe other people want to see it. Now, if you do want me to do a more kind of detailed and process video or whatever, I will. Just leave it in the comment section. But yeah, that's about it for today. Enjoy. LOL, I had to do me a little step back, you know, look at different angles. Bro, I look like somebody's sewing ass African auntie with my little cloth and my bonnet, bro. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. This is about the process, not me. It's kind of funny to see how my process of sewing has changed because I used to not pin stuff a lot, I rarely ever made a pattern, bro. I used to just freehand everything, but I always make a pattern. I feel like as I thought about more so of sharing my designs to other people, I wanted them to be more clean. Because like when I'm making stuff myself, I don't really care. Like it can have little flaws. I feel like it adds character. But like if you want to give it to somebody else, I want it to be like as good as to the ability, as good as my ability or whatever. But putting things and testing them out also saves me on mistakes, because if you see, I made me a mistake. If you look back on the video, I like pinned one of the sides wrong, and if I would have put it on the machine and sewed it and had to unvert them seams, that would have been blue. So I think it helps me a lot. Baby, these clasps were low-key giving me hell, and I ended up not even using them. I ended up taking them out. Bro. See, this is one of those projects that like it wasn't a lot in theory, but there's like these little things that just make it like, like the tabs, bro. What was really doing me with this is the tabs. Every time I have to make a new tab, I was just like, and it's not even that much, but those are the type of like blockers that make me like put a project down and be kind of anxious to start it again. But I got past it after like a month, and I'm finishing this project finally. Well, this is the almost finished project. It's actually not even complete. I have to add a closure. If you peep, like that top is pinned together because the clasps are too far apart, and they add like an extra 2 inches to the top. I don't really like that, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. Probably tabs for laces. I don't want it, but I probably will. But I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. There was actually a few little things probably here and there that I probably would like to be a little more sharp, but it looks pretty close to the original, and I'm pretty sure she'll be happy with it. She actually tried on the top because I had to like see how I fit her a little bit, but so she got a hint of what it looks like. Now I say it's not complete too because I'm actually gonna add a little extra razzle dazzle. I'm gonna add some rhinestones on this for her. I'm probably gonna do like a little rhinestone niche on the front too. And yeah, that's about it though. Well, I hope you guys liked the process and enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!